right, buenos dias, clase. I want to go ahead and explain the notes that I asked you guys to take yesterday to help you with the activities and the quiz you're going to take next week. So all we're going to focus on right now for about the next week are the two verbs ser and estar. You've already seen the verb estar. ¿Cómo estás? Estoy bien. Now, the big difference between these two, they both mean the same thing. They're both the verb to be. The difference is when you would use them. It would be a particular situation. So we use ser when we're talking about characteristics that are semi-permanent or somebody's profession or nationality. We use estar when we're talking about emotions or feelings, like when you ask somebody, how are you doing? And temporary location. Where are you? Well, I'm at school. I'm at my house right now. That would be a temporary location. At least that's the hope. Okay, these are our forms, right? In red, you have the different subject pronoun forms of ser, and in purple, you have the different subject pronoun forms of estar. Depending on what you are is going to dictate which one of these that you use. So, if I want to say, for example, these are the adjectives, right? And I wanted you to make sure that in those boxes in your notes, it tells you in the textbook, these adjectives go with ser, these adjectives go with estar. So for example, young. If I want to say you are young, I would use ser. And if I want to say you are young, I would say tú eres joven, right? If I want to say I am old, I would say yo soy viejo. Remember, everything in Spanish must agree in right, gender and number. So if you're a boy and you want to say you're tall, you would say soy alto. If a girl's going to say it, she would say soy alta. So just keep that in mind. So this really, if you have your chart and your notes, this should make a lot of sense to you. If you have any questions, reach out and ask. I'm here for you guys. Adios.